Good day. My name is Cecil Maria Membrador, and this is my circuit demo for the 0 to 9 digital counter. This is a 0 to 9 digital counter circuit built on a breadboard using a NE555 timer, a CD4026 decade counter IC, and a 7-segment display powered by a 9-volt battery. We also have capacitors, 1 UF capacitor and 22 UF capacitor. So we also have resistors, 220 ohms, 10K ohms, 100K ohms, and 1 million ohms. So you can see when I connect the battery, the display immediately shows 0, meaning the circuit is powered and ready to count. So pressing the count button increments the display by 1 each press. The NE555 timer ensures each button press produces only one clean pulse, preventing false counts from button bounce. Once it reaches 9, the next press automatically rolls it back to 0. The second button is the reset button. No matter what number is displayed, pressing it instantly returns the counter back to 0. That is the 0 to 9 digital counter circuit, simple, clean, and fully functional.